everybody, we've got the brand new Paw Patrol lifeguard pups. This is Sky with her lifeguard uniform. And she's got her little friend here, and it is a blue sea crab. And here is her pup pack. Whoa, that is so cool. I cannot wait to get it out of the box. You can see how it attaches to the back. And that is really, really awesome. Here are the rest of the pups. And we have the entire set. We've got Marshall, Rocky, Zuma, Chase, and Rubble. Each one has a special friend and a special pup pack. Now, we've got something really cool to show you back here. You can buy these toys as a single one in a single pack like this, or you can buy it in an action pack gift set. And it has all of the pups inside. Zuma, Marshall, Chase, Sky, Rocky, and Rubble. Look at that. Zuma's even got a vehicle. Whoa! That is so awesome. Now, right now in this video, we're going to unbox the single packs. But if you want to see the gift pack unboxed, go to Growing Up Crazy Toy Videos. There'll be a link up here in the corner. Just click right there and you can watch this being unboxed. Woohoo! It's going to be a lot of fun. Growing Up Crazy loves Paw Patrol toys. And he's going to really enjoy showing you this gift set. We've got 6 Paw Patrol vehicles. Each one is going to bring us one of the lifeguard pups. We've got the Sea Patroller, the Mission Cruiser, the Arctic Terrain Vehicle, the Sub Patroller, the Jungle Paw Terrain Vehicle. What's this one? You'll have to wait and see what the last vehicle is. Do you know? What's your guess? Let me know down in the comments. All right, let's start bringing in the lifeguard Paw Patrol so we can unbox them. This is going to be so much fun. Beep, beep. First up, we have the Sea Patroller. And it has brought us the lifeguard Chase. Wow, that is super cool. And this is our Sea Patroller boat. And you go like this and turn it into a land vehicle. Woohoo! And then you can snap it back down like this and turn it back into a boat. Woohoo! Thanks for bringing us our Chase pup. So let's go ahead and get Chase out of the box. There we go. And here is his little friend. Aw, that's super cute. He matches the Sea Patroller. And we need to get our Chase pup out. Here is Chase in his lifeguard uniform. Wow, looking good. And he can go over here on the Sea Patroller, and he is ready to do rescues in the water. Here is his pup pack. Wow, that's really cool. And it can turn like this, all these different ways. Beep, beep. Now let's put it on his back. There we go. And he's got a little lifesaver ring here so that he can help with the rescues. And he can come over here or come back here. Beep, beep. Whoa, what a cool pup pack. All right, so we've unboxed our first lifeguard pup. I wonder which vehicle we'll see next. Here comes the Mission Cruiser. Whoa, this is for their Mission Paw missions. And inside, let's see, can we get it open? There he is. It's Ryder. Woohoo! And he is driving the Mission Paw Cruiser. You can put vehicles inside. This thing is awesome. And the Mission Paw Cruiser brought us lifeguard Zuma. Whoa, that is so cool. He's got a vehicle. I cannot wait to get him out of this box. Here we go. Here is his little vehicle. It kind of looks like a surfboard. That's pretty neat. Oh, and this turns on the back. And here is our Zuma. And he doesn't get a pup pack. Instead, he gets a vehicle. And can we get him in here? There we go. Woohoo, Zuma, you're looking good. And here is his little friend. Aw, he's so cute. I love your hat, Zuma. And he's got his lifesaver ring for a rough rescue. Here we go. Another vehicle coming. Woohoo! It's the Arctic terrain vehicle. And we've got Winter Marshall here. Whoa! He's got his water cannons. That is so cool. I love the winter pups. And we'll put him back in here. And turn it around. Woohoo! And it looks like it brought us another lifeguard pup. Wow! It's got skis on the front for driving in the snow. Very cool. And let's get lifeguard Sky out. She has the neatest pup pack. I'm so excited about checking her out. And let's get her friend out. Look at that. It's a little blue sea crab. Aww. Very cute. And he matches the Arctic terrain vehicle. Very nice. And here is Sky. And she's got her lifeguard visor on and her lifeguard uniform. Very neat. I love this outfit, Sky. Now let's get your pup pack out. Here it is. This thing is so cool looking. Spins here. It's like a parachute. Woo! That is awesome. Now let's see if we can get it on. Here we go. And it's on. And this actually bends a little. Oh wow, look at this. Whoa! It goes all the way around. That is super cool. You go in the front. That's as far as it goes to the front. Spinning. And she is a lifeguard pup. All right, guys, we have unboxed 3 lifeguard pups. We've got Sky, Chase, and Zuma, and all of their little friends. And we've got 3 pups left. So it's time to find out which vehicles are going to be bringing the last 3 pups. Here we go. I think I hear a vehicle. Whoosh. It's the Sub Patroller. Whoa, that is awesome. And there's our Sea Patrol rider. Woohoo! Very neat. And these come down back here. That. And it is our submarine. And he brought us Lifeguard Rocky with a little starfish. Woohoo! And let's open this up right here. And there is our Sea Patrol rider. Wow! That may be my favorite vehicle yet. Woohoo! Thank you for bringing us Rocky. Let's get him out of the box. There we go. And here is Lifeguard Rocky. He's got a green and orange hat. And we need to get his little friend out. And he's got a little orange sea friend. And then we need the pup pack. Here is Rocky's pup pack. We're going to snap it on the back. Like that. He's got his lifesaver ring and his claw. Wow. He can grab all sorts of things with that. And it turns around. That's really cool. It goes up here and it can go down here. Whoa. That is awesome, Rocky. He's got the claw. Very cool. All right. Thank you, Sea Patrol Submarine. We are ready for the last two pups. I think I hear Tracker and Jungle Rider. They're in the jungle vehicle. Woohoo! All right, what did you guys bring today? You brought the lifeguard Rubble. Oh, thank you. And let's see, we can get him open. I love the jungle vehicle with all the jungle pups. And here is Lifeguard Rubble. Very nice. And he's got his friend here. And he is orange and blue, a little sea snail. And then we've got to get his pup pack out. Here's the pup pack. And we're going to snap it on, just like that. Whoa, what a shovel. It can scoop things up. Wow, that is pretty amazing. And let's scoot this over here. Here we go. Can we scoop up our little friend? Hey, look at that. He almost fits. Ah, he fell out. There we go. We've got him. Thanks, buddy. And we've put him in. Woohoo! Way to go, Rubble. Now, what will the last vehicle be? Are you ready for the last vehicle and the last pup? Here it comes. Oh, what's it sound like? Hey, what is that? Oh, it's getting closer. It's about to land. It's the Pirate Air Patroller. Whoa! And he brought us Lifeguard Marshall. Look at this cool thing. This is the Pirate Air Patroller. He's got pirate flags, and he can turn into a helicopter. Woohoo! Or an airplane. I love this vehicle. But guess what? Inside, we've got Pirate Robodog. Whoa, he's got a patch, just like a pirate. And Pirate Rider. Woo, you guys are so cool. This is an awesome vehicle. Here we go. And it's time to take off. Whoa! We better go ahead and get Marshall out. Thank you, Pirate Patroller, for bringing us Marshall. Oh, what a cute pup. And here is his friend. Very nice. Now, let's go ahead and get his pup pack out. Here is Marshall's pup pack. And we're going to snap it in right here. There we go. And he's got water cannons. And let's see, will they turn? Oh, they do turn. So you can turn them all the way around. And you can go up and down like this. Very, very neat. And he can shoot out water. Woohoo! And now we've unboxed the complete set. Yay! This has been so much fun. I really enjoyed showing you all these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more Paw Patrol toys. Thanks, guys!